Spending hours browsing template libraries only to find nothing quite right? Endless dragging, dropping and tweaking elements is slow and inefficient. And you have worries about copyright issues with stock assets? Meet CapCut AI Design. Just input a product photo, a prompt, and watch AI generates high fidelity product posters. It can also replicate styles and designs. Just upload a reference image you like and your product shot, enter some words, and the AI will perfectly replicate the style, layout, and elements. You can also tweak your designs by simply just adding text comments, like talking to a design assistant. And voila, you got your new designs in seconds. And generated for platforms like TikTok, Instagram and much more in simple steps. It's an all-in-one editor to change backgrounds, remove backgrounds, object eraser and auto layout within the CapCut and no need for further apps. You don't believe me? Let's go in. So you can use CapCut AI Design on web or desktop. We use it at the desktop, so visit CapCut.com, hit the download button for free and install CapCut. And here we are at the home screen of CapCut. Don't forget to sign up, and on the left we see AI Design. We click on it and here we are at the overview of AI Design. You see the different inspirations here, like you can do posters, you can do model images, shampoo posters, YouTube thumbnails and so much more. We just try the first one here, we click on it and as we can see, create a sleek YouTube thumbnail for my Tokyo travel vlog featuring iconic city visuals, vibrant colors and bold title text. This is the original one. We also upload an image from a man. To replace it, replace the person in the poster with the uploaded man. We uploaded him and we just hit send. Here we are at the AI design process where he is thinking and analyzing the images and the prompt. He will do all things automatically. We have to do nothing here. As we see, he understood our prompt. He will replace the person in the vlog thumbnail. And here we are, and as you can see, it works perfectly. On the left the original one, on the right the AI design one, and it's clearly astonishing. We can also enter more prompts here, like change the font color to green. Enter. AI design chatbot also analyzes this prompt. Seconds later we have the output and it did exactly that what we wanted. It was red, now it's green. Perfect. He did not change anything in the poster, he just changed that what we wanted. In seconds, we have to do nothing here, just prompting some words here. Very easy. If you want to sell your product on any website, AI Design is also good for that. As you can see, we have this original image here and we entered the prompt. It should generate the image, a professional Amazon main image on a pure white background. And as you can see, this is the result. It's just so easy. We entered multiple prompts here. We want a woman hand with clean nails is holding the product. And as we can see, he also did that. Exactly that what we wanted. He took the image from before and he added the woman's hand. Now we want to place a product on a scene, like on a table beside a bed. It should not alter the original appearance. And again, he took the product, he did not change anything, the label is the same, and he just placed it on a wooden table beside a bed. Another example, if you want to promote our product on a poster with some labels on it, I entered the prompt, create a product information poster showcasing the organic and healthiness. He says, excellent idea. He will create it, and this is the result. It's astonishing how easy AI design works. We can also use AI design to resize images. We enter the prompt, we want multiple different dimensions of this image. We just hit send. AI design will do all the work. We don't need any other app here, and the result is astonishing. We have the original image here and now we have the different dimensions. Let's click through it. We have a 9:16, we have a 16:9, we have a 4:3. It's so easy, just prompt it and it will generate all the things for you. Easy. So if you liked it, click the link in the description for a 7-day pro membership for free. See you in the next one.